Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna talk a little about the free resources that you will find in our website. Let's dive into it. First you go to our website powerkdp.com and go to Tools. As you can see you will find Interior Generator, Category Search, and HTML Description Editor. Let's go to Interior Generator. As you can see you can find plenty of interiors such as journals, fitness planners, recipe books, and more. You can also search by the categories given such as checklist, journals, notebooks, planners, and trackers. Or you can just write in the search bar the kind of interior you are looking for. For example, recipe book. Click on the interior you want. Choose the size of your interior and how many pages, and click on download. And there you have your interior. Now let's go to category search. Write down the category you are looking for in the search bar. You will have multiple choices and the priority of the category. As you can see there is high priorities, medium, and low. Select the category that you want, copy it, and paste it in the XLSX file. Now let's take a look at the HTML description editor. Write down your description and start editing on it. For example, let's make the book features title bold and with red color. Let's make the first sentence bold as well. This looks much better than the regular description. When you are happy with your description, all you have to do is select it and copy it. And go to your Excel file. Click here and paste it. Don't paste it directly in the cases because it will write the description in multiple cases due to the line break command. This is all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.